Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a Python code to create a countdown timer. So let's see how to do it. First, we are going to import a time. Then we are going to define our function start countdown. And we are going to pass in count and while count. Now we are going to convert into the count into minutes and seconds. Min. So we are going to use div mod, pass in our count and the 60 to get our minutes and seconds. The div mod method takes two numbers and returns a pair of numbers, a tuple consisting of their quotient and remainder. And now we are going to set the time format. For the minute and second, and we are going to use the format function and pass in min and second. I'm just going to print a time format. And end of line. Exclamation. And we are going to time. We are going to use sleep function. Uh, Pass in one, and then we are going to decrement our count. One, and then we are just going to print. We are going to call our function. Let's call start countdown. Pass in the countdown. I'm just gonna pass in 10. There's a column missing over here. The backslash R over here will override the output for each iteration. The value of count will be decremented at the end of each iteration. Now we're just going to run our code, and you can see the countdown. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.